Good morning. We've got some steps to repair today, masonry steps. So hope you enjoy seeing the process. So this is the old mortar that's in the step. That's just, look, after a day of drying out, it's just completely crumbling. So that's just the age of the mortar. So we need to get some of this old stuff out as well, so hammer it until if it breaks, then it's got to come out obviously, so that's just with a little bit of tapping. What I'm going to do is try and take out a lot of this, because this was the original rock that was in place. You can see it fitted in, closely fitted in like that, but I don't know what's happened to the positioning over time. It's relatively level. You can probably see it's not lining up across the front. So what I'll do is I'll remove all of this old mortar here, realign this main stone, and pack it in good, make sure that it's level and straight across the front, and then find appropriate rocks to go in behind it, and see how it goes from there. You shouldn't get worried about removing loose dirt, because you just need solid places to attach the new mortar around the outside. Angle grinder, concrete disc on it, put the piece of stone facing away from you, and have at it. Once I've done this one, probably go back and pack up underneath with some more mortar all the way along here. And this mortar is actually quite easy to put on, because if you want, you just mix it up to a consistency of Play-Doh, and then you just slap it in there. And so on. Well, that was easy. Shows how firm that was in there. Not. I prefer to have a knapping hammer. I don't have one of those yet. So this is S mortar, which is masonry mortar. We're just mixing up a bit so you can start packing. Mix is quite easy. Use any tray you've got, and this is a cap litter, yes. And you want to get it to the consistency of Play-Doh. So it's worked out quite well. Everything seems to be drying nicely, and we've got the same texture as the older mortar. One thing I'll advise you to do is brush lightly with a wet sponge over the mortar, and as soon as it starts drying off enough so that you can see the edges of the rock, just get a wire brush and just brush it around the edges, and that should be it. That should last a good amount of time. Beautiful sunny day in North Carolina. Steps have turned out really well, I think. Time will tell. Hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you next time.